Find the mode, median, range, and standard deviation for the population of numbers. Alright, well, most of this information is going to come directly from our one-var stats. So I'm going to go ahead and type all this information into L1, starting with -4. You're probably aware by this point, but make sure you'll get an error message if you type -4, but if you type negative, which is right below the 3, that will save you a lot of headache. Calculator is very particular about that. Alright, 10, 16, 35, 16, 3, 8, oops, and 20. Okay, so then we go to Stat again, slide over to Calc. We want one-var stats. And I'm just going to tell it that my stuff is in L1, that's fine. And we get most of the information that we want. The mean comes up first here. Remember the X bar means mean, so that's 13. The median we don't get on this first screen, but this down arrow tells us that there's more information. Alright, so the median is also 13. The mode doesn't come up in one-var stats at all. In order to get the mode, we just kind of have to go through ourselves and figure out which one it is. I see the 16 twice, so that's going to be the mode. Another way is you can sort the data, and that'll help you find the mode if you're not seeing it, you know. Oh. Interesting. This one didn't want the mean. No, it did. It's just in a strange order. Alright, yeah. So it wanted the mean. Did want the mean. I just didn't type it in up here. Oops. Okay. So back to where we were. Alright, so now we have the mean, median, and mode. The range is also requested. The range is just the span of the data. So it's going to be the maximum data entry minus the minimum. Alright, so it's going to be 35 minus -4. And if you do 35 minus -4, oops. See how there's a difference in the minus and the negative? Then what it's going to do is add those two together. So if you subtract a negative, you're adding. So the range is 39. And standard deviation. The word standard deviation is so long, I tend to just shorten it here. The standard deviation, I need to go back through the one-var stats again. Alright, this is a population of numbers, so the standard deviation is 11.03.